You want to build an AI automation agency. You've probably seen the hype. Build AI agents, replace your team, make money while you sleep. But here's the real thing. Most people are rushing in and building castles with no doors. They're creating overcomplicated setups, chasing shiny models and skipping the only thing that matters, the real business impact. So before you start, let me show you 10 brutal truths I wish I knew earlier. Stick around, the last one is your shortcut to actual results. Hey, by the way, I'm Kunaal Naik, your AI, data, business and technology strategist, TEDx speaker. I've trained over 5,000 professionals and worked with more than 100 plus corporates to build data-driven automated systems that actually scale. Today, I'm sharing the truths that separate wannabe builders from real operators. So let's go. Truth number 1. Most projects die in the sandbox. You built a cool demo, you shared it on Reddit, you got an applause, but nothing happened. Why? Because no one actually needed it. Most agent projects die because they are not tied to the pain of the business problem. So find one task that 100 people do manually each week. That's your first agent. That's the one people will pay for. Truth 2. Complexity kills execution. You start wiring up multi-step logic, voice input, auto-scheduling, GPT-4 32K vector databases. But the more complex you go, the more fragile it becomes. Simplicity wins always. Start with if A happens, do B. Let the agent nail one predictable job. Then layer up. Truth number 3. Intelligence is mostly an illusion. You think your agent is smart because it replies fast. But under the hood, it's just a prompt chain. Don't confuse speed with substance. Use tools like NA10 to control logic. Let GPT just assist. You're not building AGI, you're building utility. Truth number 4. No visual map is equal to chaos. If you can't see your logic, you don't debug it. Most agents set up break silently. You only know when someone complains. Build every flow in NA10 visually. Treat it like your agent's brain. See the steps, fix the breaks, and ship faster. Truth number 5. Latency destroys trust. You run a workflow, it hangs. The user waits, then refreshes, then gives up, then one delay. That's trust lost forever. Benchmark every tool, cache intelligently, and when you can, self-host. Fast, greater than fancy. Truth number 6. Stop building castles without doors. We all want the perfect full stack. But if no one can use it yet, what's the point? So just start with one useful entrance. Even a form, a webhook, or an API. Once you prove the value, then you build out the castle. Truth number 7. Clients don't care about your tech stack. They don't care if it's GPT-4, Claude, or a hamster on a wheel. They care about results. Sell outcomes, not tech. Say we cut your lead response time from 30 minutes to 3 minutes. That's what wins trust and repeats business. Truth number 8. Your first win is in the shadow work. What's shadow work? It's the stuff that's being done manually by someone 100 times a week that nobody notices. Find that, automate that. That's your first win. Show the before and after, and that's your pitch. Truth number 9. Hosting shouldn't be your bottleneck. DevOps shouldn't stop you from deploying value. If you're stuck Googling how to deploy NA10, you're already losing time. Skip the setup, focus on building. Truth number 10. When it clicks, it feels like magic. A client says, "Can you automate weekly invoice reminders?" Your reply, "It already does." That moment, that's when they get it. That's when they start referring you and paying you more. Now here's the trick. You don't need 10 agents. You don't need 5 dashboards. You don't even need to sell AI. You need one agent solving one painful task with one clear metric. Nail that. You're in the business. And the best way to do this without worrying about infrastructure or cloud cost, use Kloudbean. With Kloudbean, you can deploy NA10, Superbase, Open Web UI, Olama models, and more in one click. No DevOps, no delete, just ship and scale. I created a full walkthrough video on how I deploy agents with Kloudbean. Check the pinned comment for the link. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're building something this week. Let's build the future simply, strategically, one agent at a time.